Here's the 99 GTR 1000 that we've restored. As you can see, she's like brand new. All original. 35,000 Ks. Brand new genuine screen. Emerald green paint. Bike looks like she's in brand new condition. There she is. Comes with the genuine Kawasaki panniers, and there's the brand new seat cover from Japan. Just beautiful. Just as she was back in 19